Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on your PC, making use of YouTube actually. So we can create quiz on YouTube, and I have already shown you guys how to do that on your mobile device. But on today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your PC. So regularly you can click on this area and you notice there is option for you to create, post and upload video, right? But now there is no option for you to create a quiz. Now that is not an issue. So although if you click on that particular create a post, you can actually convert it to a quiz. But don't worry, let's just go to the right place or the recommended area to create a quiz. Now go over to your channel after you click on your profile icon and select your channel. Now, once you are right here, go over to the community section, click on community right there, this menu section. Now, if you notice below, you can see there are different things on this community. It's still loading. Now, under this area, you can notice this is quiz. Now there are different things here. There are image pool, there is also test pool, but this is actually what I want to show you guys how to create. So to create the quiz, click on quiz. Now you have to ask the question for the quiz. You know how Q&A is. So I'm going to ask this on this particular channel. Um, so this is actually a tricky question, and I'm going to put different information. So I'm going to write right, and then I'm going to write another one. So I think that should be enough, but in order to confuse people, let me go ahead and add even more. So I don't know. All right. So these are all the question, and then you have to the question will definitely have one answer. So if I choose this as my answer, right now, I'm going to explain the reason why this is my answer. So I'm going to put more information on this area to describe to them. So it's you know what? I'm going to go ahead and copy some information from Google so that I will make a mistake rather than confusing people. All right, guys. So I have copied an information and I'm going to paste that here. USDT is pledged to US dollar, so I think that's good enough. And then you notice what it means, right? This is the correct answer. That's the reason why I checked it. So if I check anyone, they are going to become the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. And what you notice when I select anyone, right? That automatically the test I actually copied is displaying under them. You notice that, right? So I'm going to leave this as default because that is actually the correct answer. And I'm going to click on post and it's going to be posted. These are my previous posts, right? Now, this is my quiz. So if anybody answers this and they get it wrong, it's going to tell them that it's wrong. You are only seeing it this way because I'm currently logged in. But if I'm not logged in, it's going to display in a different way. And I've already shown you guys that. So if you want to know how this quiz displays, come over to this channel. This is the name of the channel, Trust Carfor, and you're going to be able to see the channel. Check the quiz and you see if it works properly. So guys, this is all I want to show you on today's video. This is how to create a quiz on your PC, and that is all for today's video. And I hope it's helpful. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.